Inventors, business owners, and entrepreneurs, welcome to Bold Patents Jacksonville. Jacksonville, Florida is a hotbed for innovation and startups, and you may not feel that because you may not know exactly where to go. As an inventor, a technology founder, a lot of our clients here at Bold feel alone. And so I wanted to create this page and this video for you to kind of appreciate what this city has to offer in Jacksonville for you as a startup that wants to grow and get your product, get your solution in the hands of your customers. So again, I'm JD Houvener. I'm a founder, patent attorney, and helping you today figure out some of these resources to go to. So these are my top 5 right here in Jacksonville. Number 1 is Elevate Inventors. That's what the number 8, Elevate Ventures. It's a startup accelerator program. You've got to apply to it. It's a place where you can launch high growth companies right here in Jacksonville. Tons of resources there, mentorship, resources, funding, networking opportunities, tech and financial support, and an environment to thrive. Elevate hosts what we call Build Bold, very fitting, and a startup weekend right here in Jacksonville. So check them out. Lots of good opportunities. You might have heard of the startup called Smartbox. They came out of Elevate. They are a company offering innovative solutions for storage and moving solutions, providing customers with convenient and flexible options. And a quick note on this, before you go launch or publish or even pitch your invention or your company, make sure you speak with a patent professional. We at Bold will be happy to talk with you, have a legal consult, learn about what you're doing, and see if we can protect it first with either provisional or non-provisional patent application. That way you're protected before you go share an invention with some of these individuals at accelerator programs, pitch competitions, and the like. But go check out Elevate. They're a great resource. Number 2 is PS27 Ventures. It's another accelerator program. They're focusing on entrepreneurs and helping to validate their ideas. They give a lot of capital, networking opportunities, and they do have kind of a focus on female founders. They have a female founders forum, as well as a Black entrepreneur forum. So their PS27 foundations do focus on some of those diverse entrepreneur, diverse founder backgrounds. So check out PS27. And a big startup just kicked off is FinAxar, FINAXAR. They're a fintech company, as you probably guessed. They do innovative financial solutions, enhancing small companies' ability to access capital. They just came out of PS27. Number 3 is Beaver Street Enterprise Center. That's the BSEC. It's a startup incubator. An incubator is basically a place where a small, little bitty startup, even an individual founder, can join. Of course, there's an application process. Once you get in, you're among other founders, other beginning companies, and you get to learn from each other. There's a lot of education, resource, mentoring, and of course, networking opportunities with these places. So check out the BSEC, Beaver Street Enterprise Center. Great resource for you to go do some co-working, get in physical, in person with these other teams, and figure out what they're doing that works instead of you having to go spend money and do it yourself. Health Zen, they just launched out of Beaver Street Enterprise Center. It's an AI-driven healthcare company focusing on improving patient outcomes through innovative tech solutions. Number 4 is the Florida Small Business Development Center, SBDC, at the University of North Florida. This is free. Yes, it's free. Unbelievable resource here. This is sponsored through the federal SBA programs. It doesn't cost you anything. You do have to follow the guidance. Some of these are retired, high-powered CEOs, men and women that are wanting to give back and be mentors to you to help you understand kind of the basics of financial, how to train, how to hire employees, and get off the ground. So check out the Florida Small Business Development Center at UNF. Green Tech Solutions, you might have heard about them. They do a lot of eco-friendly products, lawnmowers, weed eaters. Green Tech launched out of the Florida SBDC. Last but not least, number 5 is iStart Valley. It's another incubator program that helps entrepreneurs like you turn your ideas into scalable business firms, let's say. So it's a 16-week specific startup curriculum. That program, of course, you have to apply into, but with that whole 16 weeks, what'll become 3 to 4 months, you're going to get a lot of tools, resources, ideas, business plans, suggestions, and you get to pitch in front of their forum. The notable startup that launched is Revolution Consultants. It's an ad tech company that created market shifting acquisition solutions. So check out iStart Valley is another resource for you right here in Jacksonville. And so again, Bold Patent stands ready to help you protect, learn about what's potentially patentable if you've got an invention that might be moving forward and using one of these resources. Before you go public and launch, have a conversation with us. Let's protect your invention. Let's consider trademark protection as well. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Hope you got some good information here about Jacksonville, our city that we're in here at Bold Patents. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Go big, go bold.